Hey guys, I am walking to the museum now and I've found a guest.
Word.
It's Weston Superman, one of the judges. Hopefully, he'll be a fair judge
Of course.
and not let me win easily.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, okay, you win.
Come on.
You win.
Calm it down.
So, we're outside the museum. Let's get the squawk on and get practicing.
I think there might be a bit of a dance later on.
By the way, guys, this was the first year Seagull screeching champion, and I'm here to dethrone him. That's my only mission today, is to dethrone this guy from the Seagull screeching. Never mind. But take me to registration. Let's get me signed in.
Is that it?
A bit movement.
A bit of
movement.
How much? Like this much or this much?
Right, you make an entrance. Okay, is my stage alright? I could keep this for next year. Okay, so, name, sir?
Scott Milton.
Scott Milton!
Let's go!
Where are you from?
From Weston.
Okay, have you done this before? You have. Okay, right, to retain his title, let's see this one. The toilets are over there. Okay, oh, nice. Okay, are you scared?
Should we be scared here?
Okay. Oh, don't scare him, for goodness sake. Okay, alright, you're Cody, right? What was your name? You're Cody, okay. Are you from Weston, Cody?
Not originally, no.
Where do you live? Where are you from?
Where am I from? Oh, I'm a seagull, I just kind of float.
I like it. Okay, right, Cody, give me your best, my friend.
Okay, for this one, seagulls fly in packs, right? So we all need to just channel the inner seagull in us, okay? So I'm gonna need everyone to take that cool card, rip it up, alright? We're all having a bit of fun in it. Everyone join me. Flap your wings. Flap your wings. Come on!
We've got to flap our wings.
Come on, cut it!
It was worth the wait, right? It was worth the wait. Built it up. Very good.
It is warm, isn't it?